I don't want to see the back end. It's turned a little.
I'm front row. I'm front row for it.
That's fine. So my measurement starts out the same way, okay? So I'm identifying my fulcrum. I have my vertical axis, my horizontal axis. Now what I want you to do is bend the head forward as far as you can. Stop. At this point here, all the flexion is in the cervical spine. If you went too far, go back a little bit. So what I'm doing is I know that the thoracic spine flexes. When cervical spine reaches end range flexion, the thoracic spine begins to flex as well. If I keep measuring head bending, 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 I'm starting to measure thoracic flexion, not just cervical flexion. If I only want to measure cervical, once I feel these segments flex, I'm going to have her stop the bending. Okay? So her true cervical may only be 40, where full flexion, getting bent all the way, maybe 70 or 80 or 90, but the rest of it is coming from here. Now, in a healthy person, if she's not complaining of neck pain, who cares? Right? I don't really care if the cervical flexion is just from the cervical spine, the thoracic spine, if it's 90-10, 60-40. It's not a meaningful number by itself. It's only meaningful if she starts to say something hurts back here. Then I have to differentiate between excessive cervical flexion, thoracic flexion, incomplete cervical, so she's compensating with thoracic. What's going on here that's causing pain? If it's asymptomatic, it's probably not a problem. Okay, unless it's excessive and no, we're not. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, if the side bending